right, top news that's coming in. Two loud explosions have been heard in Tehran. This is as per the news reports that are coming in. I'm quoting from the AFP report. Two loud explosions in Tehran. Israeli military official has confirmed that Iranian military leadership is on the run. Now, this is what, of course, the Israeli military is claiming. But they are saying Iranian military is on the run. What does it mean? Remember, there have been at least 3 top commanders of the IRGC who've been neutralized in Israel's precise strikes into Iranian territory. We are trying to ascertain further what is precisely happening, because remember, has there been targeted attacks in the vicinity of nuclear facilities, oil refineries, pipelines and more as well? According to the Israeli military official, we are told that they've said, we do not want to cause any nuclear disaster with our strikes on Iran. However, their targets are very specific and with a threat coming in against even Khamenei through Israel. Does this mean that the escalation is going to come in the next few hours in itself? But what precisely are we expecting on the ground? Pranay Upadhyay, our editor, India Today Global, joins me on the 5 Live for the latest on that. Pranay, what is the latest that you hear about the strikes, the aftermath, especially in Iran?
Pooja, there is an intensification of this conflict between Iran and Israel. The reports which are coming in from Tehran clearly indicates that there have been two huge blasts who have been being reported from Tehran. We do not know the exact specification of these blasts, that what damage they have caused as yet, because there is no confirmation from Tehran as yet. But yes, the Israeli side has also confirmed just a while ago that they have been carrying out the airstrikes on the Iranian territory. Their aircrafts are flying and clearly dominating the Iranian airspace. While on the other side, we have heard the statement coming from the Iranian IRGC chief saying that there will be escalation in air-to-air missile firing from Iran to Israel. So this is actually an intensification of conflict at a time when the President Donald Trump is back in Washington, in White House, and he has also indicated that he'll be going into a huddle in his Situation Room with the senior commanders, and he did not rule out US joining this conflict. However, there is no confirmation either whether US would want to join this conflict alongside the Israel. But yes, there is an augmentation of the US forces in the region, especially in the CENTCOM area.
That's a big question, because America, of course, like the European nations, have expressed complete support to Israel. But does that mean diplomatic, political support? Does that mean military support as well? If the military gets involved with another country, that's going to be huge development. So we'll be tracking that and more.